Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Let's begin. Here is today's kanji. It is read hito or ichi in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means one. It has one stroke. Inside words, it often sounds like ichi. On its own, it is usually hito. One single line means one. The simplest kanji of all. Now let's write it. One stroke. Follow the numbers on screen, in order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Ichi means one. Hitori means one person. And ichigatsu means January. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Mi, read mi. 2. San, read san. Notice the small differences. So that's ichi, one. One stroke, read hito or ichi. Try writing it 5 times today. See you tomorrow.